factorize x power 4 minus 2x cube minus 9x square plus 2x plus 8. So while factorizing some highest degree polynomials, we need to remember certain things like say first f of x is equal to x power 4 minus 2x power 3 minus 9x square plus 2x plus 8. Say this is f of x, and first thing we need to check sum of coefficients. Sum of coefficients of a polynomial we need to check. That's equal to, so the coefficient of x power 4 is 1, the coefficient of x power 3 is minus 2, coefficient of x power 2 is minus 9, and coefficient of x is plus 2 and plus 8. So if you find the sum minus 2 plus 2, 1 minus 8, 1 minus 9 minus 8 plus 8, 0. We are getting 0. If sum of the coefficients is 0, sum of the coefficients of a polynomial is 0, so we can say that x minus 1 is a factor. So first we need to identify certain factors, basic factors like x minus 1, x plus 1. So sum of coefficients is 0, we can say x minus 1 is a factor. And now the next one, sum of coefficients of even power, sum of even power coefficients, we say sum of even power coefficients is equal to, so even powers are like in x power 4 term, and again x square term, and then like a constant term. Constant also we can write as it is x power 0 we can write. So x power 4 coefficient is 1, x square coefficient is minus 9, and constant is plus 8. So 1 minus 9 minus 8 plus 8 is 0. And similarly sum of odd power coefficients, sum of odd power coefficients are like here x power 3 term, x term. So x power 3 is minus 2 and x term is plus 2, so minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So here we got sum of even power coefficients and odd power coefficients are same, so we need to observe not to be 0. It can be any finite, any number, but the thing we should remember here, sum of even power coefficients should be equal to sum of odd power coefficients. So in that case we can use x plus 1 as a factor. X plus 1 is a factor of f of x. So these are the things we need to perform before going for synthetic division method. So at least if you find one or two factors, we can find the other factors easily. So our polynomial f of x, x power 4 minus 2x cube minus 9x square plus 2x plus 8. Now it's having two factors, x minus 1 and x plus 1 are the factors. Now by using synthetic division method, let's find the other factors. By synthetic division method, so our polynomial f of x is equal to, let me write the polynomial, x power 4 minus 2x cube x power 4 minus 2x cube minus 9x square plus 2x plus 8. Okay, first while writing we need to take the coefficients in order. The polynomial to be written in first in order, x power 4, x power 3, x square, x power 1 and constant. Then take the coefficients in order. X power 4 coefficient is 1, x power 3 coefficient is minus 2, and x square coefficient is minus 9, and x coefficient is 2, and then constant is 8. Suppose if any one of the term is not, means like x square term is not there, then in place of x square quotient we will write 0. But we should not skip that order. Fourth degree means we should write fourth, x power 4 quotient, x power 3 quotient, x square quotient, x coefficient, and then constant. And since we know two factors like x minus 1 is a factor and x plus 1 is a factor, when x minus 1 is a factor, so we can say that f of 1 is 0, that is x is equal to 1. Like first we consider x is equal to 1 for x, since x minus 1 is a factor. Initially you put 0, you put 0 here, then find the sum 1 plus 0 1, do addition not subtraction, 1 plus 0 1. Now you have to do the multiplications, like so 1 times 1, 1 ones are 1, you write here. So 1 into 1 1, then minus 2 plus 1, again you are doing addition, so minus 2 plus 1 will become minus 1, and again now you need to multiply here, 1 into minus 1, and then write here 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, so let's write minus 1 here. So minus 9 plus of minus 1, that's minus 10, and now again the same process, 1 into minus 10, right here, 1 into minus 10 is minus 10, then again 2 minus 10 is minus 8, again addition, 2 plus of minus 10, that is minus 8, again 1 into minus 8 minus 8, now 8 plus of minus 8 will become 0. So whenever you're getting 0 as the last term, that's nothing but remainder. If it is a factor, you will get 0. Since x minus 1 is a factor, we are getting remainder 0. If it is not a factor, we will get some other remainder. And also we had x plus 1 is a factor. Let's continue under the same. And one more thing, suppose we want to close it. So here, so what is that we can write here? X minus f of x, we can write it as x minus 1 into, and now you have to see this is a constant term, this is x term, this is x square, and this is x power 3. Write accordingly, 1 times x power 3 minus 1 times x square minus 10 times x and minus 8. This is how we need to write the polynomial. If you multiply these both, you will be getting x power 4 minus 2x cube minus 9x square plus 2x plus 8. Okay. Now let's continue with x is equal to minus 1. Since x plus 1 is a factor, therefore x is equal to minus 1, that is f of minus 1 will be 0. So let's take x is equal to minus 1. Again start with the same process, 0. Addition, 1 plus 0 is 1. Again the same, minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. Again minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2. So minus 2 plus 2, minus 10 plus 2 is minus 8. Minus 1 into minus 8 will become plus 8. Minus 8 plus 8 will be 0. So we are getting again 0 is a remainder since x plus 1 is a factor. So we are getting x is equal to minus 1 and last 1 minus 2 minus 8. So we can write f of x as, first factor, that is x minus 1, and the second factor x plus 1, and the next quadratic factor, this is like constant x term and x square term. So we can write this as into 1 times x square minus 2x minus 8, and since quadratic factor we can factorize it easily. X square minus 8 can be written here minus 4x plus 2x minus 8, so x of x minus 4 plus 2 of x minus 4, so we can add this is x minus 4 into x plus 2, and hence we can factorize it. X minus 1 into x plus 1 into x minus 4 into x plus 2, this is the factorization.